Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and welcome to my first day back of painting, still with the bad back. Now we're going to be doing some miniature portraits. I've actually started this one. I just wanted to do a little video for you guys. I've got inspired by an artist, his name is David Naylor, and he was doing some real small miniature portraits and I wanted to give it a go. Now I've got a paint mix that I've sort of adapted. I'm using a bit of isopropanol, water. We've got some Wicked. And this is the new formula of Wicked. This is the version 2, so this is the latest one they've done. I've got a mix here. The brush that I'm using is the new Harder and Steenbeck 2024 Evolution on a 0.28. And the mix is really thin. Now I'm running air pressure on this, probably about 5 psi on this, and I'm going in. I'm going to try and get the camera zoom right in because this portrait is credit card size. So we're doing a detailed sort of portrait but credit card size down. So I'm going in sort of nice and slow. I'm going to bring the camera in a little bit closer for you guys as I do it, stick it on a time lapse, and then I'll talk you through the process at the end. But sort of just taking my time. I've got my reference to the side. I have got a couple of the tiny miniature shields, so if I wanted to put some real nice sharp edges in, I can just hold the shield up. As I would with all my portraits, I sort of work with the shield in my hand if I need some sharp edges. I'm just going to go in, take my time and try and get this miniature portrait down. Glasses are going on because this is tiny. This is only 53 millimeters by 85 millimeters square, so it's a credit card size. So I'll move in closer, enjoy the video, and we'll see if we can get Charlie Chaplin airbrushed. See you in a minute. Right guys, we are done. First ever miniature portrait that I've done, and it's come out really well. As I say, the paint mix, you have to thin it right down because you are running very low pressure. You are literally touching the trigger on this brush. It doesn't even feel like you're pulling back, it just feels like you're pressing down and it's releasing. The paint's that thin. But that's come out really well for a portrait that is on a credit card. That's my very first one. Can get quite into this. I started off with a very faint outline on a pencil and then just started working it in. I used Wicked. It's a detail black. I've got it just here, which is this one. This apparently is the new version of it. It's a detail black. Yeah, Createx multi-surface airbrush colours. So that's the one I used, and I mixed it with water and isopropanol, alcohol, rubbing alcohol. It tends to sit when you mix it, it looks just like a blob, and you do that and the blob just moves around. So I had to break it up with a stick, like a little coffee stirrer. But once it's mixed up, it's very thin and goes to like a very light, sort of, looks like a vintage colour on there. So that's my first one. I'm going to do some more of this. There's going to be another one in a minute. We're going to do Audrey Hepburn on the next one. But that's my first sort of ever miniature portrait, and that's come out really well to the reference. I'll zoom in a little bit for you in a minute. So I hope you enjoyed this video on the miniature small portraits, and I'll see you in the next one, which will be Audrey Hepburn, and that's coming up in a moment.